Get it level, right? The bubble's just going to look level, but check it because you're going to be rotating this thing, right? So just make sure, check at a couple of different angles, make sure that as you rotate it, it remains level. Okay, Cage is over there, he's got the rod. I can use it to kind of roughly target where it should be, then look in and readjust the focus that way. That's the 0, right? That line is the 0. The bottom of this second black, or the top of that white box, that's 1 centimeter, right? So that line, those are all 1, and then the lines in the middle are 0.5 centimeters. One person can hold the top, the other one can hold the bottom. And then someone's on the rod and someone's on the level.
If you have a small feature like that, do you have to then use an increment small enough to capture it? Or can you be measuring by meter, but then when you get to that point, like make a special addition kind of, where it's like only 0.5 meter then?
Yeah, just for that, yeah. So yeah, if we were doing a survey along this and it was mostly flat aside from here, I might do every 2 meters versus here, you know.